Good morning, students. Today we will study about the cell division in plants and animals known as mitosis. The mitosis was for the first time reported in cells by a scientist Strasburger in 1870, and in animal cells it was described by a German cytologist W. Fleming in 1882, and he was the scientist who coined the term mitosis. Mitosis can be defined as a type of nuclear division that results in two daughter cells, each having a nucleus containing the same number and kind of chromosomes as the mother cell. Mitosis can be divided into four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, which comes under karyokinesis. And after karyokinesis or nuclear division, cytokinesis occurs. Apical meristem in the plants is the region that contains the highest percentage of cell undergoing mitosis. Tips of growing plants such as the onion roots are the best material to study the mitosis. The interphase is the resting phase between two mitotic divisions. It appears to be inactive or in resting stage, but it is metabolically the most active stage and prepares the cell for next mitotic division. In this stage, nuclear membrane and nucleolus are clearly visible, and here the chromosomes do not appear very clearly, and they appear in the form of a reticulum made up of chromatin. The second stage of mitosis is known as prophase. In this phase, the appearance of thread-like structures are seen in which the condensed chromosomes are there, and prophase can be broken into pro means before, phase means stage. In this stage, chromosomes become coiled, shortened, and more distinct, and they appear like wool, so they are also known as spireme stage. A very important phenomena takes place during prophase is the splitting of chromosomes in longitudinal way into two chromatids. Each chromosome consists of two chromatids or two longitudinal thread-like structures, and these two chromatids attached to each other by a special structure known as centromere. In later stage of prophase, nuclear membrane starts disappearing. Nucleolus and mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum also disappears. Spindle pores or spindle poles are formed in higher plants during this stage. After prophase, the next stage comes known as metaphase. In this phase, the chromosome tend to aggregate in a central position of the cell. Chromosomes align themselves on the metaphase stage or equatorial plate, and their arms are directed towards the pole. It is the best phase to study the details of morphology of chromosomes and to count the total number of chromosomes in any species. In higher plants, example onion, centrioles are absent, and this type of mitosis is known as anastral mitosis. Nuclear membrane and nucleoli disappear during this stage. The next stage is known as anaphase. It is also called as migratory phase, and the important events are the centromere of the chromosomes starts to divide into two forming daughter chromosomes with centromere in each chromosome. Daughter chromosomes are repulsive, so they migrate towards opposite poles. Spindle fibers attached to the centromeres starts shortening and pull the chromatids towards the pole. Chromosomes attain characteristic shapes as capital V or capital L or capital J and I shape depending upon the position of centromere during anaphase stage. At the end of anaphase, two groups of chromosomes are formed at each pole. The number and types of chromosomes at each pole is same as the parent nucleus. The last stage in karyokinesis is known as telophase. During this stage, chromosomes reach the pole and nuclear membrane is reconstructed around each group of chromosomes, giving rise to nucleus at each pole. Nuclei also starts appearing. Cytokinesis starts by cell plate formation. After this, the significance of mitosis is: first, it results in the formation of two identical cells. The second significance is the daughter cell formed have the same genetic constitution quantitatively and qualitatively as the original cell from which they have been formed. The third importance is mitosis is necessary for growth in plants and animals. It also brings about the reproduction in unicellular organisms. This process is necessary for the maintenance and repair of tissues. Mitosis is required for healing of wounds and regeneration of lost parts in certain animals. And negative point is this, that uncontrolled mitosis leads to cancer.